Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Twin Bros with Sis. Greetings from Twin 2. And today in this video I'm going to be telling you how to install the Windows Service Pack 1 in your computer. So first of all you have to go to your control panel or on your computer icon on your desktop and click on properties. So when this opens, you can see if your Service Pack 1 is installed or not. Over here I have installed my Service Pack 1, and in this video I am going to tell you how you can also install it. So first you have to go here and then search run. You have to click on this and then you have to type over here regedit, regedit. So we have reached over here. So when you reach here, what you have to do is that first you have to click over here H key local machine, and then you have to go on the system and you have to click it, then control set 1, and then you have to open control. I'll just show you once again how to open it. So H key local machine, you have to go on system, control set 2, control. Over here we have to find somewhere it will be written Windows. See, Windows over here. So after pressing this you have to click on this CSD version, and then you have to add the value 100 hexadecimal. Okay, press OK, and then after that you have to restart your computer, and after you restart you will notice that your Windows Service Pack 1 has been installed.